I cannot finish this podcast without talking about what everybody talks about in pharma, which is the evolution of our professional landscape with artificial intelligence, what it means for people, for organizations, for the way we interact with our peers, with our clients, and so on. But I will frame that question within the commercial space specifically, because one of the narrative I've heard over the years, not just with AI, but before that with multi-channel, now omni-channel and so on, was this narrative of, the sales organization is going to be fearing all of these new ways of communicating because they're going to feel they are losing the touch with healthcare professionals. They're going to be replaced by an email marketing campaign, or they're going to, you know what I'm talking about,
right?
100%.
Absolutely.
You've heard this narrative before.
100%, absolutely.
So where do you stand on this narrative and this belief, and what is your take on it?
Listen, AI is here to stay, and it's only going to grow into having a more impact. And whoever masters this first is going to be ahead of the game. A couple of months ago, we had a big workshop in a region, and I saw a statistic that actually blew a little bit my mind. That as of today, only 62% of pharmaceutical companies have actually really embraced, in the way that is expected to be, the AI movement. 62. So there's still 38% out there that have not. And I'm like, what are you doing? From that perspective, I strongly believe that AI, what it does when it's done correctly, is that it makes our biggest investment. The biggest investment is in our people in the field. And the people in the field.
Right.
And what this does is makes them more efficient in dealing with our customers, so that each and every call that we make puts us in a better position to have an impact. And that's what it's all about. There is ongoing a lot of trial and error, but you have to try it.
Right.
And we need to be conscious that we will fail. It's part of the game, And the more we fail, the more we will learn to master that. But I think it's a bit of a race.
Right.
Who can do this faster and better, and then make it a competitive advantage?